Member from Nelson Crescent.
Thank you. Yes, and thank you very much to my colleague from Coquitlam, Millardville, because things are shifting throughout the day. Bills are coming up soon, and I'm going to be responsible for some of those. So my questions to the minister are about Jumbo Glacier Resort and the Jumbo Municipality, and he might take note that today we heard the news that the Supreme Court of Canada is going to be hearing the case that the Ktunaxa has put forward about Jumbo actually being historically known to them as Qat'muk and the home of grizzly bear spirit. But at the state of matters right now, Mr. Chair, there is a municipality on this site, and the resort that was supposed to make this municipality populated with people is currently not going forward. So since Jumbo Glacier Resort is no longer permitted to develop their resort under their lapsed environmental assessment certificate, why hasn't the government rescinded the municipality, which continues to govern no one these last 4 years?
Mr. Minister.
Thank you, Honourable Chair, and to the member. Appreciate the question. This has been talked about a lot, both in the House and in the media and so on. Today's decision by the Supreme Court to give leave to hear the appeal does not change anything. It is a process that has to run its course. As the member is well aware, I think it was canvassed in the House as well by the previous minister. The payments to the municipality have been deferred for this year. There will be no payment made at the request of the council, and the government is not prepared to walk away until such time as all of the other steps that are necessary take place, and so the municipality will remain in place, but our financial support, as I said, has been deferred for this year.
Member.
Thank you very much, Honourable Speaker, or Honourable Chair, and I can tell you that the people of the Kootenays will be happy to hear that their taxpayer dollars will not be going into this town of no one. However, I have one more question, and it's that the municipality of Jumbo, as part of their ongoing busy work, was to conduct a public hearing as part of their OCP process, their official community plan. Now, requirement of any official community plan is public consultation. Since there's no one living in this municipality, who would they consult?
Mr. Minister.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. The reality is that there are a number of people and agencies that the municipality would have a responsibility to consult with. Includes the regional district, the First Nations communities, of which there are two, as you are well aware, FLNRO, Environment Ministry. There's a number of steps that have to take place, and there is the statutory requirement to engage in consultation with all of those various organizations and communities.
Member.
So just to be clear, though, that there was no residents or citizens that they consulted.
Mr. Minister.
Well, thank you, Honorable Chair. I think the question is kind of academic. The member does know there are no residents within the municipality, but that does not mean there aren't people who will be eventually, if it does move ahead, affected, and I've given that list.